So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to right click and then duplicate layer. And now I'm going to hide the background layer. And now select the top layer, go to select, and then remove BG. And now go to select, remove BG. And now we need to watch a short ad, just press OK. So here it is, and now right click on the raster mask and then apply. And now click on this icon here to add the folder, new folder group. Select the layer with the transparent background, drag it inside the folder. So as you can see, it is inside. And now click on the eye icon here on the background layer to reveal it. Select the layer without the background. Let's add the new adjustment layer to it. Left click here, add the gradient map. And now make sure to click on the clipping mask here so that the gradient map affects only the layer under it. Left click on the gradient, left click here, and then left click here. And now I'm going to change the color to this red, press OK, and then press OK. Now let's hide the properties. And now select the raster mask, select the brush tool. Make sure the foreground is black. And now let's change the size of the brush and reduce the hardness. And now I'm going to paint with black on the raster mask to hide the parts here. I don't want to be affected with the red color. So here like this, so here it is. So I'm just going to paint on the right side here of the background since I'm going to add the background layer later. So here it is, and now I'm going to change the layer mode here, the gradient map to hard light. And then reduce the opacity to around 80. So I'm going to leave to 76%. Select the adjustment layer, right click on it, and then duplicate layer. And now select the raster mask here, and then press Ctrl I to invert the colors of the raster mask. So here it is, the right side now is white. And now select the adjustment layer, double click on it, left click on the gradient map, left click here, and then left click on the color. And now I'm just going to change the color to this blue, press OK, and then press OK. So here it is, we have the red color on the left and the blue on the right. And now if you want the gradient maps here affect the background, just uncheck the clipping mask here of the top gradient map and then select the bottom one and then uncheck the clipping mask. And now I'm going to import my background layer. So this is the layer I'm going to use. I'm going to place it right under the person without the background, with the transparent background. So here it is, and now I can remove the background layer, this one here. Just click on this icon here to delete it. And now here